me. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. And today I am going to show you guys how I decorated my tree this year. I'm really excited about it. I feel like it turned out really, really pretty and super simple, and it was so easy to do. These things really overwhelm me, and like, I don't like decorating, so if I can do this, I know you guys can, so hopefully you guys like this tree tour, and then I'm gonna walk you through where I got everything and kind of my system of how I put the tree together. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so the first thing I started off with, actually let's talk about my tree. So my tree is from At Home, and I'm really excited because we have been married, me and my husband, 2 years, and this is our first tree that we've ever bought together. I absolutely love it. I don't know what this is called or anything like that, but I think the box number was F11, so go to At Home, box F11, and this is the tree that we have. It's 7.5 feet tall. And then the first thing that I started off with was these sprigs. So these sprigs were from Dollar Tree. So first I just kind of sprouted them around the tree and just kind of stepped back, looked at it, and just kind of seen what I thought looked best. And then also I have a mix of these berry sprigs and then these spritzy silvery ones. And I think they're really pretty and I just really enjoyed them. So then after I put all the sprigs in, then I got this beautiful yarn, and this was from Hobby Lobby, or yarn, whatever, tulle. It's really, really wide, if you guys can see. And it's not I guess it's not really a wired ribbon. Oop. Good thing I got shatterproof. My ornament just fell. But I don't think it's really a wired ribbon. But it's really easy to like move around, and the second I put it on this tree, I was just like, oh my gosh, this is incredible. I feel like a real decorator. Also, I don't know if we're doing a tree topper. There's some drama from the cameraman, like he can't get the tree topper up or something. So, any comment, cameraman?
Yeah, it's a fake tree and they don't make it strong enough to hold a topper.
Okay, so to be continued if we're gonna get a tree topper. But okay, talked about my tulle. I love it. I just laced it all the way down the tree. I just think it's so pretty, and I like bunch it in little areas and then like widen it here, and I just think it looks like so magical and whimsical. Love it. After that, I got the biggest ornaments I could, and these were from Dollar Tree, I believe. So there's probably a better price point because it's one for $1. I don't know. But anyways, any big open areas, like if there was any gaps in the trees, you would get the big ornaments and push it back as far as you can to fill that gap and hook it onto the tree. So after you do your sprigs, your tulle, garland, whatever, you get your big ornaments, stuff it into the big gaps as you can see here. Anything that's open, because obviously this is a fake tree, so you can't really, you can see the back of the tree if you don't hide it. So yeah, stuff it in there. After that, I went in with more of my smaller ornaments, like these little guys. I think I got them from Hobby Lobby last year, so I just kind of started decorating that and putting them all around the tree. And then lastly, I don't have many like sentimental ornaments. I'm just like, I've never really had those. Like I do at my parents' house, but I don't know. If they're sentimental, they need to be like really cute, like this one. So this is, not my dog, but we just got this for my dog Boyer. It's his first Christmas with us, so I just thought that was a really cute ornament, and I thought it would be really pretty for, to kind of mix in with this. It doesn't stand out too much, it matches. And this one was from Hobby Lobby. And then I also have my Jesus one. Where is it? This was from my Hobby Lobby haul too. And yeah, so I kind of went in with the more decorative ones after that. And then these snowflakes are kind of cheesy, but I just kind of stuck them on here to be like a little filler for the places that needed some extra spaces filled. And this is from Hobby Lobby, I believe, so I just kind of plugged those in there. And then everything else I just kind of like put anywhere that needed an ornament. But other than that, I think it turned out really good. I'm really happy about it. I feel like it looks really just like clean and airy and pretty. And then here's another tip too. The leftover ornaments that you have, totally tie it into your fireplace garland. So anything that's near it, I just feel like it looks so much better and brings it all together, because obviously this is not the same. Oh, it actually is kind of the same. Go me, just kidding. But this is a little bit darker of a garland than the tree, but I feel like Even though it has that flocked feel, it kind of still matches together. And then I put the same ornaments from the tree onto the garland to just like tie it all together, and I feel like it looks really beautiful. So that is basically how I decided to decorate my tree this year. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know in the comments below, and if you have any tricks or tips for my tree and what I should add, because I actually have 2 more trees to decorate. One's on the other side of the TV and then one's in the basement, so I'd love to use those tips for my next trees. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe because I have so many Christmas videos coming up on this channel. My hot chocolate recipe videos, I have so many good recipes for hot chocolate coming up, and then my full house tour will be coming up soon after I finish decorating everything. So yeah, this is the first thing on the list. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!